he found me. Run for it, Marty! Me and wind and pushing it. I'm going to try the Ultra Micro Radian. Let me show it to you. The wind's not too bad for the Recruit, but this Radian, as you can see, is very small, already being buffeted by what little wind you see here in the grass and on the trees. I'm gonna give it a try regardless. I gotta test it. I don't have FPV on it, so I'm gonna try a line of sight. I'm gonna set you up out here so you can watch what's going on. Let me give you a little bit more elevation. Not too much, I don't want the wind to blow it over. Forgot one of the biggest problems about airplanes is hanger rash. You can't just throw them in a truck or car like you do a quad. You bang the wings and these little delicate surfaces on the elevator and rudder, and you've got a problem. Let's bind it up, see what happens. It's up, up, up is up. Left is left, right is right. Power is power. That wind is playing with it. When it comes back into the wind, it don't like it. This little thing is not meant to be flown in any wind at all. Get some stabilization out of it maybe. I don't want to put it up in a tree, so I'm not taking it up high. If the wind is aloft, it will, which it feels like it is, it'll blow it into a tree. Perfect. Just turn back this way and goes into this westerly wind. Going downwind, it's not too bad. You got to keep the throttle on. But you turn back into the wind here, so the wind catches it. Woohoo! Almost hit my leg. Bring it in. And the wind picks up. It's just trying to correct itself in the auto level. That's that AS3 trying to correct itself in the wind. Yeah, if I had it up in the air, high it all right now, it would be gone.
3 days later.
All right, we got the Horizon Sport Cub with auto stabilization on it. I'm going to try it. Got a little bit of wind, but we'll see what she does. Weather veining, or crab, what we call it sometimes, but where the nose will tend to turn into the wind all on its own. This is a pretty good little flyer right here. It handles the wind a lot better than that other one does. But it should. It's got rudder and ailerons, where the other one was just rudder and elevator.
A few moments later.
Getting my old line of sight skilled back. The wind's blowing it backwards. That's really flying stalled. I don't know if I really got it out of the ASC. I might not have the right switch set up to bring it out of AS, the auto level. I gotta look at my switches.
12 seconds later.
Let's see if we can do a landing here.
A few inches later.
It's flying pretty decent. I just got to get that auto level crap off. I'm going to put an FPV camera on the top of this one too. This one comes with a little plug that'll come out of the top of the CG on the top of the wing.
Eventually.
This uses the same 1S battery, kind of like the tiny whoops use, but it uses the smaller connector. I may chop the connectors and put TH2 on them so I can use tiny whoop batteries also. Now these are only 150 milliamp batteries, where tiny whoops use a 300. Now that's flying into the wind right there. You notice coming back is faster, so that's flying with the wind.
6.5 hours later.
We'll see how this goes. It's 7:30. I'm gonna try the night vapor. I don't know how the low light is on the 360. We'll see. Well, let's see the night vapor. Let you get a look at it. It's got a saran wrap wing. Some LEDs on it. Let's see if she wants to fly tonight. Oh yeah. High alpha. Tiny bit of wind. Now this is slow flying, guys.
Eight oh 1 p.m.
This is a good one to take to the park in the summertime when people are out having cookouts and getting drunk. Let them get good and sloshed and let it get a little bit darker. Fly this thing around and then I think aliens is coming for us. High alpha on it. Not be too close to the camera there to actually see it. You know you're coming back to you when you see the 3 LEDs on the front. Red and green flashing in the back and blue on the tail boom. Cows are going crazy tonight. We just moved them over to the new field. Yeah, talking about cows. Look how slow.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
About done it for the batteries. Yeah, the battery's dying on it. That's it. That's a tiny, tiny battery. I think it's only a 60 milliamp. LED's running out quicker. Let's see what size battery I have on that. 70 milliamp. Yeah. All right.